Hey everyone, this is Alan, and in today's video, I will not be using my cell phone because unfortunately I forgot to charge my cell phone battery. So, yeah, I have to record with my notebook webcam today, but that's okay. That's not a problem. So, I want to talk about something that I started today, and for for context, basically, I've been building a framework with AI, using AI in my own operation as a freelance developer. And AI made my life a lot easier. And when I compare, I started working with AI only like from the end of February and beginning of March. So before that, I was still doing a lot of things manually, and I was doing other kinds of jobs. So AI made, I am pretty confident, and I am not lying when I say that AI made my life a lot easier, and also it made me more money because now I work faster, and there are certain jobs that I wouldn't have time to do that I began doing them, and so it made me more money. Still, I have a long way to go in that area, like making more money, because right now I am building my infrastructure, so I am building some systems, and yeah, for the next few months, I I I know that there will be a huge leap in in my financial life, in the financial area of my life, but that's okay. Uh, what I want to really talk about is that I've been using AI for months now, and like cloud code daily for months, but I've worked with AI since it launched. And for example, it was almost 1 year ago that I made my first agent, but at that time it was in NA10, like it was a no code agent. So it was even harder. So right now, as I know how an agent works, as I know how to structure it, as right now I am able to code it because I learned a lot about programming since last year. In last year, I was already a developer, but mainly a front-end developer. But I kept improving in that area, so I worked with NA10 because it was a lot faster than coding. But right now it's a lot easier and faster to work with AI. And the point of this video is that I created a structure for my work that is good at solving my own problems. And I started thinking how I could use that knowledge, the knowledge that I'm building with this framework, using it daily in my routine. How could I use it to sell it to other people, to sell my knowledge to other people, to make money from that, because I need to make a living, and also help other people have this leap in the quality of their work. So for example, uh, I have an associate, Danilo, and he's a close friend of mine. And his daughter was born this Saturday, and he said to me, like, using AI daily in his work makes his routine be a lot more flexible. So he has time to be with his wife that just got a child, and he has time to help her taking care of their daughter. So yeah, that's the kind of huge that kind of improvement in the quality of someone's life that AI brings is what I really like about working with it. And it's not only about the money, it's not about making like 10 figures since day one, or like 6 figures in 1 month. The idea that I follow is that I want to have a good life. I want to have time for what is important to me, and for me it is have time to God, have time to be with my family, and and have time to study what I like, and those things all came by using AI in the recent months. So yeah, I just want to share about it. And it is a problem that I am good at solving my own problems, because, but I don't. But the problem is that I only know my own needs. So if I want to help other people integrate AI in their businesses, I I need to understand more of their businesses. So yeah, based on that, I started today a mentoring program, and it is with a friend of mine. He is a friend that is also a business owner, and he works with his brother as a co-founder of their business. And he basically is the kind of person that really that really and that really learns on his own very well. So I understood that I could help him because he is able to learn fast and a lot by himself. And when I give him directions, I know that he will he will work a lot better using AI at the job that already knows everything about, because he does that manually. And the idea is, and for you to understand, as he is the first guy in this mentoring program that I created, I am not charging him. So I decided to trade uh, my work, my hours, helping him as a mentor in this kind of thing, trading it for a testimonial in the end, and really understanding how I should structure it to future clients. And basically we are helping each other out. And it's because I also don't like to price something that does not have a result. And even though I had a lot of results, I want to see it working for another people. And it is already working for Danilo, as I said, but to I want to make it work for real, for other people, for problems that I'm not so good at for now. For example, this friend of mine, he works with media buying and marketing, and media buying is something that I don't understand a lot. So when I am able to use my framework to structure his workflow better, then I will see that my framework is really good and ready to sell for more people and for a small price at first, and then with time and with improvements, maybe I can charge more and what I think it's fair. And basically, today we had one call, and it was in the whole call I was asking questions. So it is like a consulting that I need to understand his business first, and then I will help him to integrate AI in his business. But yeah, I first got to understand how he works, how he uses AI currently, and he is already an advanced learner, an advanced user. Like he does a lot of things, but not the way I do with Cloud Code and things like that. And he still has a lot to understand. But that gave me really a good direction of what content I should record to send to him, and what I should explain to him to make his work a lot better and easier, and make his routine easier. Yeah, and basically, and based on that, I also realized that I will need to record classes. And for now, I don't think that I will record AI classes in English. I will be focusing for now in Portuguese. But if you are interested in classes about cloud code, about AI in English, please comment below this video, right? And that's basically it for today's video. Just wanted to share my honest opinion about this process that I am beginning. He did this mentoring is a beta test, and it will be for I will work with him for 1 month, and we are focusing on one part of his business at each week. But I know that like in this weekend he will already finish what I planned for the first week, and then I will be able to help him with more things. But yeah, that's it. See you in another video.